Hi everybody, I am Antonella Barbieri, the owner of C.I.A packing machines. We started a lot of times ago, approximately 40 years ago. I was very young and we started with pasta making machines and then with packaging machineries. We are in the field of food and no-food products, so we can meet any requests that you should have, from the small production, from the small output, up to the industrial output. We export in many countries. One of the last one was Mongolia and the Republic of Kazakhstan. And we used to export, so for us it's very nice to export all over the world and to make Italian products be known from the people all over the world, as we are proud to be Italian. The field of productions include food and no-food products. So there are many customers, small and big ones, that could be interested in our machine. So we are ready to meet every request. You can contact us anytime by mail, by phone, or coming and visit our company. And we will be ready and glad to help you for every kind of request that you should have. So we wait for you whenever you like. We are here in order to enjoy and to know you and to have the right solution for your needs. Bye bye everyone, and see you soon.